Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Real Life Health Show. You know, people call me up all the time with different type of ailments or things they've been diagnosed with. Crazy stories, crazy things. And I tell people, you just got to start eating healthier. You got to eliminate the things that aren't healthy. Get rid of the late night eating. Get rid of the coffee. Get rid of the meat. Just eat fruits and vegetables. And they look at me like a deer in headlights. Well, what am I supposed to eat? Eat fruits and vegetables. And then when I convince them to do it, they call me back a couple days later and they say, I just can't do this. It's just too hard. It's just too hard to eat the way you're telling me to eat. Do you want to get rid of your disease or do you not want to get rid of your disease? You know, I tell people often too, I tell people to eat less. You know, I've been eating a raw vegan diet for many, many years, and I learned that people overeat, and overeating is the cause of many diseases. So I tell people to eat less. Don't eat late at night and eat less. And people come back to me, they say, I just can't eat less. I'm addicted to food. I can't stop eating late at night. What should I do? I said, look, I can tell you what foods are best for you and how much to eat, but if you can't control your eating as a grown person, as an adult, if you can't control your eating, you don't need a nutritionist, you need a psychiatrist. You know, something's wrong when you have no control over the food you're putting in your body, the type of food and the amount of food you're putting in your body. My greatest health advances have not only come with what I changed in my diet, but how much I ate and when I ate. When I stopped eating late at night and stopped eating tremendous amount of food, game changer, game changer. I mean, fasting, forget about eating less. Fasting would benefit people so much, but they can't even eat less. How are they going to fast? You know, I don't know the reasons in people's lives why they can't just stop eating. Some of them might be addicted to the addictive substances in the food and the Coca-Cola and everything like that. Other people might just have a boring life and food is the only place they find comfort. Or there might be other reasons. Whatever the reason is, I've learned if I want to be healthy and stay healthy, I have to get control of how much I eat and when I eat. You know, I love to juice. I love to use my juicer. It satisfies if I am having a so-called hunger craving or false hunger craving. A nice fresh green vegetable juice, which I try to get in my diet every day anyway, is good for me. I have the Nama J2 juicer, which makes juicing so much easier now. In the old days, I used to be like, but I got to get out the juicer and make the juice. Try to justify how easy it is to make the juice, but it really wasn't. But now it's really easy. It's really easy to make juice. And clean the juicer. It's really easy to clean the juicer. Before, even when I wanted a juice, I didn't have time to clean the juicer, and I would be making videos. Oh, it's not difficult to clean. It's a lot easier than cleaning a stove. Who's cleaning their stove every day? You got to clean your juicer every day. But the Nama J2 juicer changes everything. It's a game changer. So I'm not going to eat any food until noon. Until noon, I'm not going to eat any food. Now I will do a juice, a vegetable juice, green vegetables with maybe some carrots or apples, beets or celery. I love celery and cucumbers and spinach. Love it. But I'll do a juice before noon. And then I'll eat at noon. And then I'll eat again. Later in the afternoon is my last meal. 2 times a day. If you're struggling with eating, if you're struggling with, or not eating, if you're struggling with not eating, I recommend you get a juicer. I recommend the Nama J2 juicer. I'll put a link below here. It's so easy to use. And even if you're not going to change your diet, even if you're not going to eat less, you should get a juicer and you should use it. And I'm in complete understanding those other juices don't add up to what this juicer does. And at least get a juicer in your life. People ask me, what's the most practical things I can do to change my health? Start off with getting a juicer. I often tell people, get rid of your microwave oven and get a juicer, and then use the juicer. Get rid of your microwave oven. People are like, whoa, I can't get rid of a microwave oven. You're crazy. How could I make food quickly in a couple of seconds? Look, forget about it. I even said that. Just get a juicer and use it. Not a blender, a juicer. Blending's fine, but get a juicer. Get the Nama J2 juicer. Game changer. And some people say, well, it's too much money. They break down the payments for you. Just click on the link below and go to get it. And when you go to pay, you could break it down into 2 payments, 3 payments, 4 payments. People are spending a lot of money on a lot of things. Spend a good amount of money on a good juicer. It'll change your life. It'll change your health. You'll have less time at the doctor. So yes, I'm all for raw food. I'm all for vegan. But the number one thing you could do is start juicing. Add a fresh green juice to your life every day. Start getting rid of the coffee. Replace it with a green juice. Try to get rid of the microwave. And make that change, everybody. You can do it. I don't just want to be on here to encourage raw vegans to say, I did it, you can do it. I want to tell the average person that's having a hard time of not overeating and not eating late, you can do it. But this is how. Get a juicer. Have some set times when you're going to eat, when you're not going to eat. If you can't help eating late at night, go to sleep earlier. That'll help you not eat at night if you go to sleep earlier. And be careful what you have in your house or what you have around. If you have junk food around, when you get those hungry cravings, that's what you're going to eat. Maybe have some fruit in your kitchen, some apples and bananas instead. So when you're hungry, you'll eat that. I like apple and bananas. Yeah, so you could do this, everybody. Eat less, live more. You know, some people say the food is to die for, it's so good. Well, if you're dying from the food, it's not good. Eat food to live for. That's the live foods. And it's easier now than ever before in the history of time to eat healthy. If you live in a city, you can probably go to any store and find fruits and vegetables. And you don't need to settle for the junk food and the garbage that's out there. And if you live in the country somewhere where you're not near a store, good for you. Grow some fruits and vegetables. All right? You can do this. I'm here to help. The link's below for the juicer. You get also 10% off with the code that I put below. So check that out. Get 10% off. I guarantee you, and you can trust me because I don't sell used cars. I guarantee you that if you get this juicer and you use it, your life will change, your health will change, your diet will change, your attitude will change, and everything will change. What are you waiting for? All right? Put your comments, questions below. Let me know if you use the Nama juicer and what you think of it. Until then, everybody have a great day and a great raw life.